Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to steam food with the Varoma on your Thermomix TM6. I'll put the Varoma on in a moment, but before I do, let's focus on the screen. First, you'll need to fill the mixing bowl with water so it can create steam. What's funny is that you can actually, there are recipes in cookie dough that you can cook a soup, and while cooking a soup, use that soup to steam created from the soup to steam some vegetables for the second dish, second course, or some meat, some chicken, whatever. But if you're doing it on your own and you just want to use the Varoma, then you're probably going to fill it in with water. And what is important, you should fill it of about half a liter per 30 minutes of cooking. So yeah, you should fill it with about 500 grams of water per just like half a liter per 30 minutes of cooking, because the steam basically steams the water at 250 milliliters of water per 15 minutes. Now set the time, of course, so let's set it to maybe let's do half an hour. Then you should set the temperature to Varoma, which is the maximum. It's uncontrolled temperature. It's about 120 to 130, so it steams very well in that kind of temperature. Remember not to overfill your mixing bowl. So I believe that it's 2.2 liters, and you shouldn't put more than 2.2 liters. Then once you're ready, by the way, the mixing, the speed can be set to honestly anything. It could be set to depending on how much steam you want created, you could set it to either gentle stir or 0.5 or 1. I think up to 2. Now I'll show you how to put the Varoma on top of your Thermomix. There is the top, and now let's remove the measuring cup. Put this first part of Varoma on top. I'll take you even higher. And now inside of it you can put some pieces already, but make sure not to block the airflow if you want to put another level. Now what I typically do is I put meat on the lower level and then vegetables on the higher level. This is the second level that you can just put on top, and then put some vegetables there, and then there's the lid that you can put on top. Now when you turn your device on, it should start cooking in Varoma. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.